This is from Mr. Al Gore's movie, Inconvenient Truth. Thanks to that movie and to his Nobel Prize, to reports that have come out of the United Nations over the last 3 years, the International Panel on Climate Change. Also, the Stern Review that was published in the UK about 16 months ago. I'll mention that later. There's been just a host of information out there about what's happening in climate change. What he's showing here is, this is the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. It varies with each ice age, and this is 600,000 years of data. This is a piece of the graph that Al Gore was showing in his movie. And the thing that's interesting here, it's a little hard to see, but this color indicates land use change, and you can see how closely the change in land use has tracked the increase in carbon and the increase in temperature. So there's something going on. We can say there's a very strong correlation between